Experiencing a black screen after shutdown on Windows 10 or 11? I'll guide you through effective steps to fix this issue and ensure your system shuts down properly. Stay tuned to resolve the black screen after shutdown problem. Press Windows key plus R to launch Run window, and enter this command in the Run window, powercfg.cpl. Then hit Enter. Now, on the left-hand side of the Power Options window, click on Choose what the power buttons do. Now, in the System Settings window, click on Change settings that are currently unavailable. After doing so, what you need to do is to check the option Turn on Fast Startup Recommended. Click on Save Changes to save the changes on your computer. Shut down your computer and check if the black screen is still appearing or not. Download and run Autorun from Microsoft official website on your computer. Now, unzip downloaded file, click on autorun.exe to run it. Click on Options. Now, click on Hide Microsoft Entries. Now try to uncheck one item at a time and check its impact by trying to shut down again. In this way you can find the culprit program. Simply, you need to press Windows key and the R key from your keyboard. Now you have to type dev-mgmt.msc. Finally, click on OK to open Device Manager utility. Now in the Device Manager window, expand System Devices, and then in the expanded list, double-click on Intel R Management Engine Interface. In the Intel R Management Engine Interface Properties window, go to the Power Management tab. Now, uncheck the option Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power, and click on OK to save the changes. Close Device Manager window. Shut down your computer and check if you are still seeing the black screen.